Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a complete website with Windsurf AI. Well, first I'm going to show you how you can download and install Windsurf AI in your computer. For that, you have to open any of your favorite browser and then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Windsurf AI and simply click enter. And then you're going to find out this website. If you click on that, it will going to redirect you to the windsurf.com. Over here you can see. Now if you're using Windows, it will going to automatically detect your operating system. So click on download for Windows and you have to select your operating system version. I'm using download for x64. So x64 is my operating system version. Click on that and you can see the download has been started. It about 162 MB. After complete the download, we can simply click on it 2 times to install and simply minimize the browser. And now it will going to shows up with the setup wizard. I can simply select I accept the agreement and simply click next, next another time, next another time, and simply check these 3 boxes and simply click next and install. After complete the installation, we can simply click on finish right now and it will going to automatically open the Windsurf in your computer. Now you can simply click get started. And if you want to choose key bindings, you can simply click on Vim or VS Code. I'm going to remain it as VS Code and simply click next, next another time and simply click on sign up. And here you need to give your first name, or what you can do, you click on sign up with Google. I'm going to select my account and continue with, and that's it. Now if I click on skip for now and click on open Windsurf from here, and it will going to open the Windsurf in your desktop, you can see. And now here we come out into Windsurf rightly, and now here what we're going to do, we're going to click on check this code with cascade, and then we're going to create a new folder. For that, I'm going to go for the file explorer, going to go for any of our favorite drive, and then I can simply click on new folder as a portfolio, click enter. And now I minimize it and then go for the Windsurf and then click on open folder. Simply select the folder that you created, portfolio, select the folder, and I'm going to check that yes, I trust the authors. And now I can simply click on Ctrl+L and it will going to open the cascade code option over here, you can see. And now here we're going to create a website in a very simple way. Like I want to type here create a HTML, CSS with JavaScript portfolio website, and then simply click enter. Before that, you have to select the model that is free right now is SWE-1.5. Select it and simply click enter. As you can see, it's showing I have successfully created a modern portfolio website with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The website includes the features and technical implementations. You can simply see here is the index.html and here is the JavaScript for working animation and the style.css for looking beautiful. And now we're going to click on this system browser and now you can simply see it's showing the website that we created over here, you can see. So you can see the home bar, about, skills, project and contact. You can simply add the feature, project, skill, technologies, about me and the view project, contact me and lots more. So this is how we can simply create or build a complete website with Windsurf AI. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.